Warped floors from subfloor moisture problems can totally mess up your home vibe and even cause some serious damage if you ignore them. So first thing you want to do is figure out where the moisture is coming from. Could be a leaky pipe, poor ventilation, or water seeping through the foundation. Next, you gotta fix that moisture source before anything else, because patching up the floor without stopping the water is just throwing money away. Then, check if the subfloor boards are swollen or soft. If they are, you probably need to replace those sections. If it's just a small area, sanding and sealing might work to smooth things out and keep more water from sneaking in. Don't forget to use a moisture barrier under the new or repaired subfloor to keep future problems at bay. When installing new flooring, pick materials that handle moisture better if your place is prone to dampness. Keep your home's humidity levels in check with good airflow and maybe a dehumidifier if things get too sticky. Finally, always inspect your floors regularly so you catch any early signs of warping or moisture before it gets out of hand. One of the biggest mistakes people make with warped floors from subfloor moisture problems is ignoring the root cause and just fixing the surface. This only leads to recurring damage, so fix leaks or improve drainage first. Another common issue is not using a proper moisture barrier, which lets water keep damaging the wood underneath. Make sure to install a high-quality barrier when you repair or replace subfloors. Also, many folks underestimate how important ventilation is. Poor airflow traps moisture and ruins floors over time, so adding vents or fans can really help keep things dry. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know how to handle stuff like subfloor repairs right the first time. It also helps contractors find work by matching them with people who need reliable help for their big home projects.